Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another day of the video diary. And how's it going today? Today I am off. We're heading to work. Woke up this morning, got ready, watching YouTube videos and stuff this morning, because I didn't spend, there's loads for some reason on a Tuesday night. It's not Tuesday night, Wednesday night, Thursday today. Fuck how time flies. So, what's going on? Today, I should be able to finish answering the Q&As on the bus, which means I should be able to film it this weekend. Well, I will be able to film it this weekend, and I should be able to finish editing it by Tuesday, considering that I've got a 4-day weekend from Saturday to Tuesday. I should be able to bash out the editing, so the main channel video should be up next weekend. I kind of suggested in the main channel video about the survey responses that I would be able to make it for this weekend coming, and I can't. Sorry, I forgot Lovely was coming. / I mistimed the survey responses video. I should have timed it better so that it came out the weekend earlier than it should have done. But I had problems, didn't I? Because I had my tonsillitis and shit. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. God, get up. Oh God, why don't you just get a saddle if you're going to be on my back so much? God. Anyway, what else? Yes, I should be able to finish that on the bus and stuff. Otherwise, day at work. We have a sprint review, kind of like how we look back at it, see how we could have improved it and all that kind of crap. And we have brief planning. We've planned most of it because we planned it yesterday, like really fast. We've done like faux planning on the boards and stuff, but we need to finalise all of our stuff. What does that even mean? What does that mean? We've planned out all of the tasks that we need to do in brief. Like, it's just a suggestion, so we could start yesterday, so we can like bear in mind what we need to do. There might be a couple of things that are added onto that list today. The things that we added on might be like officially sized and stuff like that. So yeah, otherwise got today and tomorrow to bash out my section and have it so on Wednesday I can come back through and like finalise everything. We don't want to be doing new stuff on Wednesday, it just wants to be polish work. But yeah, otherwise we'll then be getting on a bus, heading back home, finishing any survey questions that I haven't answered, and then tonight do some more web development and stuff. Should be able to do it actually relatively quick now, I think. I think Blitz software only needs like giving accurate information. I just need to fill the web pages that are there with some basic text and shit. But otherwise the formatting's all right and stuff. Do you guys want to go to, do me a favour guys, go to blitzsoftware.co.uk. I'll put the link in the description as well if you're too lazy to type it out. What do you think of the design of the fonts? Because I'm thinking of replicating those fonts onto the JMPEG site. That site, I don't care that, well, I do care a little bit, it kills me inside, but I don't particularly mind the fact that it sizes horrendously on other phones and stuff, on like smaller screens. It looks good on my monitor, which is an exceptionally large monitor. But yeah, so I was just wondering what you guys thought to that kind of font layout, because if there's one thing I'm terrible at, it's colour schemes and fonts and stuff. I always have been. I have to get Lovely to do it for me. I'm a boy. Boys don't do that kind of shit. I don't do that shit. You know what I mean? Just kind of, I'm a programmer. Programmers are the worst for just bash it out. It doesn't have to be pretty. Just there you go. As soon as people start talking designs, you're like, for fuck's sake, come on. Is this really relevant? Please. So yeah, that's what I'm doing tonight. I have a to-do list and stuff, but yeah, we're going to be getting quite a few bits done. That's it really. Not a lot really happens in the morning for me to tell you about. It's just kind of a prep, like an intro, like a really long intro just to get to the main part of the video. But yeah, so it's interesting, isn't it, boys? What we're going to be doing for the rest of the day. 8 questions left. Maybe I should do this more often so there aren't as many questions in each video. It's going to be a long video, but there's nothing I can do to drag that down either. Unless I split them off into like university, personal. Who knows, man. I'm gonna try my best. And we're heading home, and it's raining, and it's really cold, and I've got my coat on, and I'm not cold at all. When we went to the bus stop, the Lewises were like, oh, it's bloody cold, and they're like shivering. I'm like, fucking, I've got my coat, motherfuckers. I'm lovely and warm. Otherwise, though, what's going on today? It hasn't been immensely productive. I was bashing my head against the same thing, and I was like trying to do this clever time thing where it would filter out things on certain times, on certain ratios and things, and it was horrible. I basically spent all day doing it, and then as I do this would break, or Lewis would break something in the service and check it in, and then I'd be like, Lewis, it's broken, can you fix it please? And then I'll take him like 20 minutes to fix. While he's fixing that, I can't really do anything because I need the data that the service is pulling off, and so yeah, it wasn't amazingly productive. We did get a couple of things ticked off, but it is limited functionality. It doesn't function the way that it needs to. It's doing a damn good job, but it's not perfect. Well, it'll compare today's date against any other date in the cache. Fine, perfect. As soon as you change today's date to another date, which you can do, you run into problems. But yeah, we'll work something out, won't we? But tomorrow we have a lot of stuff to do still, so yeah, we're gonna have to pull the finger out a little bit more today. I was helping the other two guys a bit in the middle, which is the problem with we sit in a 3 and I sit in the middle of that 3, which is obviously problematic, because then if one of them needs to ask help for something, you naturally go to the person next to you, and that's me. So yeah, but anyway, work was alright for that reason. It was good fun, and we had our retrospective, and I managed to, in fact, yeah, this is a good point to bring. Like, thingy guy was like, you never seem to have any like problems for me to fix. And we're like, well, what problems do you normally have to fix for your other team? Because he's obviously like, he shadows us while he's shadowing a big team. He's like, well, this, and I'm like, well, our project has like nothing to do with any of that. Like, it's a completely isolated project. All we need is read access to a database, and that's it. As soon as we've got that, then there's nothing can go wrong, because all of the code we're using, we're writing. So I got a good point there. But we was talking about the, because obviously on Friday last week, we all had a flexiday. We all flexidayed off the same day, and he okayed it all, and it was all fine. But then our manager comes, the Scrum Master and manager, two different people, comes along to our Scrum Master. He's like, where's your team? Because they've all taken like a sheet day off, flexiday. Because, well, they can't do that. What if we need one of them? So now we've all got to be in. We're going to query this with the manager, because it sounds like bullshit to us. We're all meant to be in. There's supposed to be one of us in at all times. So I've had to move my flex time from next Friday to Tuesday, because otherwise we're all going to be in. We're all going to be out even. So by moving it to Tuesday, that means I'm in on my own on Friday. But the problem is, because we're only a team of 3, like, when I'm working on my own on that Friday, I could make massive changes, not knowing what the other guys wanted and stuff like that, and then fuck stuff up, you know what I mean? Whereas, if we all go on the same day, then we're all in at the same time, we're all away at the same time, nothing changes in between the times we're there. And then combining that with the fact that our project is tiny and has no impact on anything else. So it's not like a problem's going to occur in our thing and the floor needs us very quickly to fix it. Because if it's really a problem, they can revert back to the old file, to the old system that looks at it, and that still runs. All you need to do is just literally go back one in history. So it's not a case of that. I mean, granted, if like all of Team Hoover fucking took a flexiday, that'd be horrendous. That'd be absolutely horrendous. If they'd like checked in some code and it had broken something somewhere else, then no one's there to say like why they checked in the code or whatever, or does it need fixing, etc. But we're like completely, so Hugh was saying like, yeah, I totally don't agree. It makes sense for you to all be out. One, it has no business impact, and it makes sense for you to all be out on one day, because then you can all come back, you're all well rested, and you all know what you'd like. Nothing's changed since you were last in. So yeah, because it could be the case, say, that the boys are both out Friday, I'm out Monday, means I change something Friday, they won't know about it till Tuesday. But yeah, that's like our only disagreement with the system. And obviously when we join big teams, the chances of it happening are slimmer because there's like 7 people in a team and not 3. So you'd naturally all want different days, most likely. But yeah, anyway, I'm just complaining because next Friday I'm going to be in on my own. Fucking on my own, and we might be starting the big project on the Thursday, so I'll be on the big project, not knowing what I'm doing. And yeah, we came back though, and I bought that because I was running out of juice. If you was wondering what I was trying to protect you from the rain with. But yeah, otherwise, I'm home. I've been on the bus. I've been answering Q&A videos and getting a bit ranty. Getting a bit ranty in my Q&A videos and question survey things. Yeah, question and answers, and I'm like, look, this is something that you shouldn't even worry about, damn it. Yeah, it's quite annoying because I've got like things that I need to come back and fact check. I can't write all the answers on the bus, so I need to check a couple of answers here with the internet and Atlas. But then also there's like a load of questions in there that are like covering entire videos worth of content, and I have to condense that down into a very short blog post, like answer thing, and a even smaller like fraction of a video. But yeah, I'm going through it all, and I'm like literally leaving comments on each one like, I actually want to make a video about this in the future, so stay tuned. But yeah. Oh, alright, what's for dinner tonight? I've got sausage and mash. Feeling pretty lazy at the moment though. I don't feel very productive tonight. It feels like a very long week because we started the sprint 2 days early. Well, a day early. Like today we'd maybe only just be starting it normally. But we obviously got thrown straight into it on Wednesday, so it feels like it should be Friday today, but it's not. So yeah. We got that, and then I've got some website stuff to do. Got to make sure Blitz software is up to scratch, so it has all the correct data on, because I just pulled up information, all the text that used to be on the old site, and just put that on. Oh god, but bloody hell. God damn it, am I feeling pretty lazy right now. What was that? I think we can kiss goodbye to doing much productive today. I'm just about to start cooking. 7:30. Just about to start. What do I want? I want that one on. Let's do some spuds. Mashed potato. I can't be arsed to do mash. Also, my Nexus has lost all of that thingy I've been writing. Basically, every single question I wrote today, answer I wrote today, has now gone. Fuck you. It didn't sync it. So I tried to open it on my computer to do some. That synced as the newest version. Wiped this. Google Drive, ladies and gentlemen. Doesn't happen with Dropbox, does it? It's 9 o'clock and I've just finished dinner and washing up and stuff. That was actually quite nice. I'm bored. I've actually, while I was cooking, I got carried away. Looking laptop on here. Got like my own little standing desk. It's literally like the perfect height for my fingers on the keys. It's really good. So I've been rewriting all of my answers to the questions I've done. I've got to do 2 more. Oh no, there's fucking loads more, man. Before I've even caught up. I've done loads on the bus and stuff. But yeah, I'm going to empty the bins and things, empty out my recycling and stuff. I believe it's bin night tonight. Is it wet out? I might have to put my shoes on to go outside. Kin, what is this? I'm going to do that. And then get more of this done. And then web stuff. I want the website back to how it should be. Or I just want to update the website. But I also want to watch Breaking Bad in bed. Which I can do this in bed and watch Breaking Bad. You can't do that and watch Breaking Bad, Jamie. But I can watch like fucking something worthless like QI or something. But hey ho. That's what I'm going to do at the moment. I'm just going to go empty my bins. And then I'm going to come back and finish a couple more questions on here. Should I fill my website in first? My website is more important. I'm going to save this and then put it on, actually save it as well. And then I'm going to do the web stuff. Web stuff. Yeah. What I'm going to do is wow. Shut up. What does my website look like on this side screen? I should really point out that my site, while it looks like it's designed to be responsive, it's really not. I wrote this site a year ago. I think I've explained this a couple of times now, but I'll say it again. I designed the Blitz software page when I used to have it hosted a long time ago, like a year ago, and I didn't know shit about web design or anything like that. So this design isn't going to stay on blitzsoftware.co.uk. It's just going to stay there for now. I'm going to put a holding page on Jamie Ped until I get up a fully functional working website. But there's no point putting a holding page if I already have what is essentially a functional website. I've had a bit of practice redesigning it and stuff so that it works nicely, so that it's coded nicely. So everything that's drawn is drawn on with PHP, and it can like pull things and stuff, so I don't have to repeat myself over and over again, which I used to do. But yeah, you'll notice that it doesn't scale very well, especially when you open it up on mobile, because it starts to do this, which is silly. I know. I know. I'm not going to spend a lot of time perfecting a design that I'm just going to scrap. Like, it's not going to look anything like that when I finish with it, hopefully. It's going to look more like my personal page, which is going to be redesigned, well, going to be designed from scratch. I'm going to build it first for mobile, and then I'm going to start to expand it out. So it's going to be designed to look good on a phone, then on a Nexus, then on a thingy, then on a thingy, and it'll be like, so it should be a nice responsive design. But anyway, I need to do the bit. And it's 10 o'clock, so I'm going to have to say goodbye to you now, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to put you on the computer and render you out. I have been sorting out the web page. I haven't looked at it yet. I've just been writing it. I haven't actually put it on the server or anything just yet, but it should be there as of when you're there. If you guys want to go and check it out, you are more than welcome to go and check it out. Yeah, it'll do for now. Lol. But yeah, buddy, that's just the way that everything works. I'm probably going to move this and change this to a Facebook icon, I think, because that would probably work better. What do you reckon? Potentially, I've just got about to do the about page as I do this video. But yeah, tomorrow is going to be another working day at work. We've got to make sure we get shit done tomorrow, so it's going to be fun. But yeah, then it's a 4-day weekend, so you can't really complain about that, can you? I'm going to get going, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for watching this video. Not sure how entertaining it's been. I've been a bit like bipolar on the decision whether I'm productive or not, but I'm getting there now. I should be able to get everything done by 11, and I can just chill out and watch Breaking Bad is the plan. I'm probably going to have to just revert to doing all my thingy stuff on the bus and not losing it this time. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, ladies and gentlemen, and I will catch you later.